Hi, so final project. I struggled with it a little bit. So this is where I said reviews can be found at the bottom of the page. I'm not logged in, so I can't actually add a review, and there are no reviews on this particular one. I think I put one on miscellaneous. I can't remember which one I put one on. Anyways, when I log into the account, I can actually write, oops, wrong email. I can write a review. Oops. It'd help if I put in the right username and password. There we go. Okay, so I added this link. For some reason, I couldn't get this to go away. I think if I looked at it a little bit more, I probably could get it to go away, but it was crunch time. So I can update or update information. Oops. I can also add my reviews. So if I enter in a review, best bomb ever or best catapult ever. Oh, um, I can add that review, and it says review was successfully added, and then it's got it right here with the date, bullet point, best catapult ever. If I go over into the admin information, I can click here to manage reviews, and then I've got the reviews right here. Oh, I guess I didn't have any other reviews, but or delete it. I also validated my CSS and my HTML ahead of time because my computer's running a little bit slow. But yeah, that's what I got done. So thanks so much for watching.